Hey cousins, today I'm going to be organizing my spice cabinet. I have a ton of spices. I've already gone through them, made sure the ones that I haven't used in a year or so, they're thrown away. So all the ones I have, I do use, and I got a couple of things that may help in the organization. I'll let you know and keep you posted on that. But I thought I'd just bring you along so you can see what I did. I've already had my husband install a couple of things and a couple of things I got from the Dollar Tree. So if you want to see what I did, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so this is my spice cabinet. I've already cleared it out. And these are the rotating shelves that my husband added. These two right here. But that's not going to be enough for my spices. I usually keep the spices down here, and I keep medicines and teas up here. So I'm not sure how I'm going to organize it, but let's get started. Okay peeps, so this is what I have thus far. I have the taller items up here at the top, and I have the spices where they are all on the outer edge, so I can just reach and grab and put it right back. I don't need any room for error because I'll just be putting stuff everywhere. But this is so simple. I even have a little bit of extra room, but the spices I have left are going to be too tall. So I'll have to show you how I plan on doing that. And these are the salts the way I had them organized on my salts and peppers, garlic salt, black pepper. I don't have anything in the middle, but that does leave room if I need to get some more. I can place them in the middle. Same as over here. There's more room in the middle. But I like the way they're all on the outside, so I can just look and grab, see and grab. And that makes it so much easier. Now I have the larger spices and salt and sugar at the bottom, and my this is the cinnamon and yeast flakes, Parmesan cheese, salt, popcorn salt. All of that's here at the bottom. So now I'll move on to show you my next project. Okay guys, for the next part, what I'm going to do is take 2 cake plans that I got from the Dollar Tree. I doubt I bake a cake in these, but who knows, it might work. I take the bottom one I have here and I place marbles in the bottom. So I place the marbles at the bottom, and then you just place the other one on top. And what that does is allow the pan to spin, just like the rotating one I have at the top. So I can just add my spices that I like here. I'm going to put that better than bouillon in the center, and then my cilantro leaves, parsley flakes, chopped onion, rosemary, bay leaves, and oregano leaves. So now for $2 and some marbles, I got this same tray that just spins. Isn't that great? So I'm going to make another one. Because this is going to be the finished product. As you can see at the top, I went ahead and added my tree for our pots for our Keurig, and here we have our teas. I got these little containers from the Dollar Tree as well, for, I don't know if they were 3 for $1 or they were $1 each, I can't remember. Here are our taller items. We don't really use that much other than olive oil and maybe the baking items. And as you can see here, these are the spinning trays that I just made from the Dollar Tree. See how nice they spin? Now I just emptied. I need to find something to put my bouillon cubes in, but I just put them right there for the moment. But yeah, I may need to add a couple more marbles to this one. Let me go ahead and do that. Yeah, it's okay if you need to add some more marbles to make sure it's even. Yeah, that's better. You might have to add more marbles. It just seems to be a little lopsided, but otherwise it's going to spin perfectly. So guys, tell me what you think, cousins. Tell me what you think about this. I think it's genius. I love it. Give me any ideas, any more suggestions you may have. Here's a little space here if you need to hang something. You can also hang things from inside of your door if you need to. There's always space. You can find organization. So you guys, it didn't even take me an hour to get this done, and I'm done with it. So this is just a little inspiration if you're wanting to get your cabinets a little bit better organized, and in a way it'll stay that way and it's not junk back up in the next week, because that's what I do. I clean and then next week it's a mess. But now it's organized in a way that it should be able to stay this way as long as I just spin and put it right back where it's supposed to go. So tell me what you guys think about this process, and I appreciate you stopping by and chatting with me, cousin. And if you haven't subscribed, why you haven't subscribed? You're watching me. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that big red subscribe button. Hit your like and notifications bell so every time I hit a video, you'll be able to see it. So it's good to see you, cousin. And y'all stop by next week. Bye.